Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I am still working on my design team project for Susan Taylor Brown at Poppiness, and I wanted to come on and just show you a way to make some really pretty tags without a whole lot of special tools. So let me move this aside. So this is a page, this is the background page that comes with Susan's Grow Garden Grow kit. And I'm also using her Sunset Dance kit, which comes with a lot of really gorgeous tags that look like this. Yes, however, I thought I might make some more, you know, just to have more, because why not? And I really liked this page, and you know, I just wanted to do something different. So basically what I have here, these are all the backs. I think I've probably showed you this, or shown you the packaging anyway before. These come on the back of the tag. I'll show you in a second. Hold on, there was just a piece of tape I needed to cut off of there. So when you buy these types of tags at Hobby Lobby, you know, this is the back piece or the front piece, whichever one you want to keep. I keep those, and that way I have a template ready made for different shaped, you know, tags and banners and things. So what I thought I would do is I have this page that I printed out just onto cardstock from the kit, and then I backed it. I think this is some of Dee Dee's avocado dyed paper, or it's mine, but I feel like mine isn't this gorgeous of a color. Mine's pinker. I'm getting a lot of shadows today. Sorry guys. Let's see if we can fix that. That's maybe a little better. Yeah, anyway, I just used my glue stick, and you can see I have some bubbles here, and I'm gonna try something that someone suggested, and now I'm not sure who it was. So I'm gonna sew around the tags. That's why I just used glue stick to back this. But someone said you can like use a needle and poke a hole in the bubbles. But I think that's only going to work if you do it right away, which I did not do. So we're going to have some bubbles. That's all right. I think if you did it right away and the glue was still, you know, wet underneath, then you would be able to push it down. But that doesn't bother me. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so I am going to determine where I would like to cut these tags from. And I'm just going to trace around these. So save your packaging, you know, I save everything, and I know that not everyone has space to save everything. I really don't have space to save everything, but I do it anyway. But you can use things that you would think are garbage, and you can use them in a different way, and it'll save you money, and it'll save you time and effort, because you can buy punches, and you can buy dies that, you know, make these shapes, and that's fantastic. I have some of those, but you know, sometimes the budget doesn't allow for that, and I completely understand that. And right now, you know, if you're trying to make it through the rest of the month, following along with my no spend challenge, then, you know, this might be helpful for you. But anyway, I save all kinds of, you know, interestingly shaped packaging, or interestingly decorated packaging, that kind of thing, and try to use it. It's also good for the environment, and we're not filling up, you know, landfills and whatnot with a bunch of stuff that we can reuse, right? Okay, so I know that I want to get some of these gorgeous purple flowers in one of these tags. So I'm just gonna kind of look and see, you know, just get an idea. I'll probably just put it like right in the center here, because it's, you know, kind of a good sampling, and then I'm just gonna trace around it. That's it. That's simple. And then we'll cut it out. Not the best tracer, but I get the job done. Oh, see, that always happens. Okay. It's usually, yeah. I'm gonna blame it on the fact that I can't stand over top of it and hold it down, but honestly, it happens to me all the time, so I really can't. I can't blame that, but that's okay. Can you see my pencil line? Maybe that's maybe it's kind of like right there. All right, and then this shape is so much fun. So let's see, where do we want? Maybe right. Up here. We've got these beautiful pansies, maybe. Or I think I'm gonna do the roses. All right, this one should be fun because, yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to hold it down so it doesn't move, and then you're not really, well, I mean, I'm just tracing. We all learned how to do this in probably kindergarten, right? I don't know about you, but it's been a while since I was in kindergarten. It's been a while since my kids were in kindergarten. Oh. All right, there we go. You see that? Not sure if that's showing up very well at all. All right, and then we have this banner shape, and I think what I'm gonna do is come down here. Yeah, because I'm actually gonna use the edge so I don't have to, well, I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna use that edge as my line. Like that. Excuse me. All right, so now I will just cut them out, and you don't need to watch me do that. So I'll pause the camera, and I'm probably going to go ahead and sew around them, and then I'll come back and maybe we'll do a little, I don't know, maybe we'll decorate them a little bit. All right, so I'll be back in just a second. So what I did was I inked around the edges, and then I sewed around, and as you can see, I am not that perfect with my you know, rounded sewing skills, so it is what it is. I don't mind it at all because I think it just, you know, kind of adds to the character. But yeah, anyway, there is our tags. There are our tags. Yeah, you know, grammar. And then this one. And I even went like completely off the edge down here, but again, I don't mind. Doesn't bother me at all. All right, so there we go. Now, I think I will add a hole to the tops of these. And I'm just eyeballing it because, yeah, that's what I do. All right, and then let's go ahead and add an eyelet to each one here. Grab my eyelets. I need to get some more eyelets. I'm running out of mean, I have a lot of eyelets, but I don't have the colors I want. Does that make sense? All right, let's use the rose gold, I guess, or, that's fine. We'll use the rose gold. I like that. All right. Well, that's interesting. What's happened here? Do you see the little pokey part that's supposed to be sticking up like this? Got like, it's not sticking out. I don't know what to do. Let's see. That's weird. That's never happened before. Let me find something. Let's use this. There we go. That worked. Okay. It just got kind of stuck in there. Okay. All right. Now we're ready. Crocodile issues, right? Oh. Never seem to it's probably user error. It's probably not the tool or the eyelets, but I can never seem to get them to squish the way I want them to. There always seems to be like, that was better. Yeah, I think it's just me. All right. And then we can add something pretty. Let's see, what do we have here? Let's do some purple. Nope, that's too bright. Okay. Well, sorry about that, guys. Let's see. No, that's not bright enough. I'll find something somewhere. What about, oh, maybe yellow. Let's try yellow. Scissors. Wish there was a different way to package than, than tape. Ugh, I hate that. It just leaves everything all sticky, and and then you gotta like throw away part of it. All right. That is like the perfect yellow for the background, isn't it? I like that. Okay, there we go. Pretty. There's one. And then, I think the yellow would look nice for all of them, right? I'm just gonna do that because I like it. watching me struggle. That's fun, right? All right, there we go. Okay, so we have, oh, I love that. Oh, the yellow is so pretty. All right, and I don't think I'm going to add anything because I think it looks beautiful just like that. What do you think? Except for my stitching. But then you've got, you know, a nice place to write on the back of each of them. And we did that with, you know, packaging. So yeah, guys, just save your packaging. I even have one that's like a basic, you know, tag shape here because it was on the back. You know, it's the same thing. So if I ever need to, I don't know, ever need to cut a tag and want it to actually be even, because yeah, I can't do it otherwise. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you real quick in case you hadn't thought of it on your own. You probably have, but I hope you enjoyed watching me do that. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe, and you know, hit the little bell so you don't miss new stuff. I am starting to do super secret giveaways again, so make sure that you watch my videos until the end, because I'm going to be doing more of those because I think they're fun and I love to give away stuff. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I will see you next time. Have a fabulous day and take care. Bye.